Hi everyone, this is Debbie here. I'm so glad that you tuned in, and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I know I did. And I want to share this little clip with you because there is one special lady that I think needs a little bit of recognition for her persistence this year at Thanksgiving. And that person happens to be my mother. She had quite a few obstacles in her way. She was trying to plan a wonderful Thanksgiving meal for the family, and her stove quit working. So 2 days before Thanksgiving, she tried to get a new stove, and they went, ordered it, brought it to her house, and tried to get it installed. Well, the oven didn't work. So she went through this not once, but twice. And they had to ended up having to return the new stove, and she didn't have an oven to cook her turkey dinner in. So, but I want to share this little clip because with a little bit of persistence and and a little creativity, you can make things work. So I just want to share this with you, and I hope you enjoy it. I want you to tell me how you made your dressing this year.
Same way I always make it. Biscuits and cornbread in it. Crumble it all up. Then you make gravy out of your giblet gravy, put it in your dressing. Wasn't it good this year?
Mm-hmm. Well, how did you bake it?
In that little toaster oven over there.
This is definitely a classic.
Well, Ben said I didn't need a new stove. That worked so good. What did you need a good stove for?
Well, she showed that you can, where there's a will, there's a way.
Yep.
For sure. So Thanksgiving dinner with no stove.
Everybody loved it. Said my groceries were good.
Yeah.